Good morning. Why water is so important to a bee's life? Let's find out. Welcome to Krabby's Bees. Now over here, I've actually got 3 tubs. Now, the first tub, that's purified water. Second one, which was already there, which they know the location of, that's tap water. And this blue tub, that's salt water. Now the experiment is actually which water would they go to, which water would they prefer. So because the middle one, they know it's there, they're going to automatically go there. So that's why I'm going to leave it for an hour or 2 and come back and see exactly how far or how much are on each tub, which one has the most bees. Now the reason why water is so important to a bee is purely, 1, they drink, 2, there's nurse bees actually inside the hive that never leave the hive, so they suck up the water, go back to the hive and actually regurgitate it and feed it to the nurse bees. And I've got a little bird here. And also, third reason is to cool down the hive. So what they do, they actually spit the water out while they're fanning, and that actually cools down the hive. So it's going to be interesting, you know, which kind of water bees prefer. Okay, I came back this morning and they're still going to the middle one. So I thought I'd do a quick experiment on the orientation of the water or the location. So I'll mix things around, change the bricks, and yeah, we'll come back and see what the result is. So it's a matter of is it the location or the water. Okay, I've changed this around and I've literally freaked the bees out. So while I was changing it around, they were orientating to this one, then they're orientating to this one, you know, so I was messing around with them, so they were freaking out. They were going back to the hive saying, okay, grey rock, then the red rock, you know, so I really don't know what their preference is just yet. Mind you, the blue bucket is actually higher than the trays, so that again would freak them out. So but I'll give it another half an hour and then make them choose which one, because they're going to take each bit of the water, which you can see some already on there. I know I've known they're going to go back to the hive, give it to the colony, then they'll decide which water they like. So I'll give it a half an hour and see what the verdict is. Okay, it's been about an hour and a half, 2 hours. So they've some are on each. So there's 1, 2, 3. No one's sitting on the edge. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 is landing. 5. Let's see. So yeah, I reckon the salt water is a little bit more. So that maybe tend to be the favourite. So actually, I want to hear your comments. You know, what do you think? Do you think it's the location? Is it the water? Because if it's the water, well, the one over there's none on it, and that's pure water. And I did have this one here in the middle, which, you know, that didn't do much to it. And when I had that one there, of course they tend to go to that one, and that's why I thought it was the location. But when I moved them around, they all went to this one. And now I left it about an hour and a half, 2 hours. They tend to be going to that one and this one. So comment. I want to hear your comments. What do you think? Is it the location? Is it the water? Or is it just plain water? You think they're just happy to have water? I want to hear from you.